Okay, so now we begin something very important. Look at the title of this page. It's called Steps on the Staff. And that means here, steps on the staff mean, remember we were playing over here in the last lesson, we went C, D, E, F, G. Well, that's playing steps. And whenever we play steps in sheet music, it means that we're going line, space, space, line, just like in the song. But what does that mean? It means we're going right down the scale. And in this case, it's the C 5-finger scale. What is the C 5-finger scale? Just like this. C, D, E, F, G. Let's play that together. The C 5-finger scale. C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C. And now we're going to play Mr. Bluebird. And look, 5th finger on G. Ready, go. G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, E, 2, 3, 4. G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, 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 C. Sorry for that delay on my last note. My wire got in the way during filming. But that's it. That's Mr. Bluebird using all your fingers.